Hi everyone. So many of you are facing the battery drain issue in the Nokia 8.1 since it is updated to the Android 10. As there is no simple option available to downgrade the Nokia 8.1 to Android 9 Pie, so to help you all, I am here with a new video to show you the tips and tricks to boost up the battery life in your mobile. These steps will definitely help you to get more battery life for sure. These steps are easy and anyone can do it after watching this video. So I would request you all to watch the video till the end. Now without wasting any time, let's start the video. Please give a like and subscribe to the channel. I hope the audio and video quality is fine for you. Let's jump into the video. So the first thing you have to do to improve your battery life is to do with the notifications. By stopping the unnecessary notifications, you are gonna get better battery life. The reason behind this is that when a new notification comes, your screen gets turned on. Hence, all your data gets refreshed in the background, which causes the battery to drain. So it is always better to stop the unwanted notifications for a great battery life. To do that, go to setting in your mobile, then tap on apps and notification, then select the app you want to block the notification. Tap on the notification, then you will find a toggle saying show notifications. Just off that, which will off the notification completely for that app. In the similar way, you can turn off notification for any other app you want to. The second thing you can do to improve your battery life is by blocking the location access for apps that don't need your location info all the time. When you grant location access permission for any app, that app keeps on accessing your location data in the background or when you are using the app, which causes your battery to drain faster. By granting the appropriate location access for apps, you can really get great battery life on your mobile. To do that, go to setting, then scroll down and tap on locations. Then tap on app permissions. Once you tap app permissions, all the apps accessing your location will be listed. There, open the desired app you want to define the location permission. There you will see three options: allow all the time, allow only when you are using, and you can deny also. So in my case, for Google app, I want to give the location access when I am using that, so that it will not access my location in the background. When the app is in the background, it will not be able to access my location data, which definitely saves some battery for me. Similarly, you can define the location permission for each and every app in your mobile. This will definitely help you to get improved battery life in your mobile. Also, you can deny the location access for the apps which you think are not necessary to track your location, and those apps are working normally without the location access, then definitely you should deny, and in that way those apps will not be able to access your location forever, and you will get improved battery life in your mobile. Now the last and the most important thing to get much more improved battery life in your Android mobile is by turning on the background restriction for individual apps that keeps on running in your background and consumes your battery. By doing this, you are going to get a great battery life. Nowadays, some third-party apps keeps on running in your background to refresh the app specific data. This drains up your battery quicker. So if you are facing the similar issue, then by following the step, you can stop them from running in the background. To do that, go to your setting, then tap on apps and notification, then open the app for which you want to enable the background restriction. Once it is open, you will see advanced option. Just expand that, then tap on battery. Then once it open, you will see a option for background restriction for that app. This option we have to enable to restrict that app from running in the background. Once you tap on that, you will see a dialog where it is asking whether you want to restrict the app. If you restrict,
it says it will save some battery for you. Then tap on restrict to enable the background restriction for that app. In this way, the apps will not be able to run in the background of your phone, which will definitely improve your battery life. You can follow the same steps to enable the background restriction for more apps if you want, and you think are not necessary to run in the background. You can enable the background restriction for those apps as well. After doing this, definitely you will see some improvement to your battery life for your Nokia or any Android mobile. So friends, these are some most important tips to boost your battery life in your Nokia or any Android mobile. I have personally tried these steps to improve the battery life in my Nokia 8.1. I would request you all to follow these steps to improve your battery life in your mobile. Comments down below if these steps worked for you. Hope this video will help you to solve the issues you are facing with the battery life in your mobile. Please subscribe to the channel and support for more amazing tech contents like this. Your support really means a lot. If you have any question or query, you can ask me in the comment section below and I would love to reply to your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. I feel happy when more people do subscribe to the channel, and this motivates me a lot to make more better contents for you.